What means volunteering for and why is it important for you?
Volunteering is important because I have a really good feeling or helping other kids or adults or elderly people, and I have the best feeling when I met new people, just like new volunteers, just like going to Erasmus program in I was in the Kukavica. It was really beautiful experience.
How did you find this project?
And I find impressed in the 2020 when was in pandemic time. I just say to me, it was really good to be a volunteer. Just like why don't go to the impress and became a volunteer.
Okay. What do you want to do for the society?
I just became in a society. I just to change teenagers' opinion that teenagers almost thinks that impress are really boring things, just like you can sit there and do nothing. That it's not that they describe it. You can meet one people. You can have so much fun, and that's why my peers say don't go here, because they have just like rumors in impress.
Thank you so much.